Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to block AutoCAD from accessing the internet. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, locate your AutoCAD shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click it and select Open File Location. Once you've found the executable file, click the address bar in File Explorer and copy the full file path. You'll need this when creating the firewall rule. Now, open the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. You can do this by searching for it from the Windows Start menu. Here, click on Advanced Settings. In the left panel, click Inbound Rules, then select New Rule from the right side. Here, choose Program and click Next. Now, paste the program path that you copied earlier and then click Next. Now, choose Block the connection from the given options and then click Next again. On the next screen, make sure Domain, Private, and Public are all selected so the rule applies to every network and proceed to Next Step. Here, give the rule a name and click Finish. After that, repeat the same steps under Outbound Rules. Create another new rule for the same AutoCAD file. Choose Block the connection, select all network profiles, give it a name, and finish the setup. And that's it! So that's basically how you can block AutoCAD from accessing the internet. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!